I got a Samsung refrigerator that works on water, but when I put it on my ice here, switch it to ice, no ice. So, take a look at it. Okay, right here on my ice maker, let's pull it out. There's no ice in there. I'm gonna pull this thing out. Okay, down here I have a block of ice right here under the evaporator plate. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to thaw this out. So I'm just gonna get a blow dryer. It's a regular blow dryer. Okay, I'm gonna put a rag, got a towel or a rag or something to put down here. You put down here so when the ice melts, it'll just go right onto the rag here you got. So couldn't do that. And then I just get a regular blow dryer. It's a regular blow dryer. Okay, just get rid of this old ice here. Tray right here. My tray has a crack in it, so we got to replace this tray. Most likely this is the problem, is this tray right here. Let's go ahead and reinstall the tray. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a couple hours or so, see if it makes any ice. I'm gonna come back and I'll show you guys if it's working. Okay, let's give it a shot. There it is there. There it is there. Let's go ahead and pull this baby out. Check the ice. Tray's full of ice. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to fix your ice maker on your Samsung refrigerator. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Here we go. Damn, that's enough.